speech of the day. I'm the citizen of that country where we live, where life is and bright color in hands. The country that sometimes Satyam Singh Susaram, sometimes Vadinathan, and sometimes Punjab Singh Zara Maratha, Davi Devi Kalabandra. I am the citizen of that country that is the center of all neglected beauties and also called brothers and sisters to the people of other country. This is the holy land of love called as India, called as India. India, the name is enough for you to live happily, to love immensely, to live peacefully, and to die proudly. A warm good morning to you all. Honorable Chief Guest, Reverend Father Cornelius Jimasiye, Reverend Father Vijay Ralta CA, respected teachers and non-academic staff, dear parents and my lovely friends. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate the 76th Republic Day, an important day in the history of our country. I feel honored to speak on this auspicious occasion. First, let me remember the great sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. They worked hard and bravely to make India free. Their determination and dedication gave us a strong and democratic nation we are proud to be. Republic Day is not just the time to celebrate, but also the time to think about the values and principles that make our country strong. On 26 January 1950, our constitution came into effect, and India became a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic. Our constitution, written under the guidance of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, is more than just a set of rules. It stands for justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. It reflects the hopes and dreams of our diverse population. The motto of Indian Constitution is that the government is of the people, by the people, and for the people. On this special day, let us renew our families to follow the principles of democracy and secularism. Let us promise to stay united, respect each other's views, and work together for the betterment of our nation. It is our responsibility as future leaders to play our part in making India stronger and more developed. As the youth of the nation, we have the power to make this happen through hard work and learning. Let us not only ask for our rights, but also do our duties to our society. Let us celebrate Republic Day with pride in our country and a strong commitment to making its future brighter. May the spirit of democracy and unity guide us always. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, long live the Republic of India.